Now find page 54 in your reading and writing booklet. Page 54. You can find this at the bottom of the page. Look at the top of your page where it says date. Find today's date in your calendar and write it on the line. Now look at the text on your page. You are going to read the text, read the sentences, and write true or false for each. Number 1, I live in a flat. True or false? Number 2, I like my neighbours. True or false? Number 3, I live in the city centre. True or false? Number 4, I speak to my neighbours. True or false? Number 5, my neighbour is from Ireland. True or false? And number 6, sometimes I go to my neighbour's house. True or false? Now let's look at the answers together. Number 1, I live in a flat. In the text, it says, I live in a house. I live in a house. So number 1 is false because I live in a house, not a flat. Number 2, in the text it says, I like my neighbours. So number 2 is true because it says I like my neighbours. Number 3, it says I live in the city centre. In the text it says I live in a house near a big park, not the city centre. So number 3 is false. Number 4, in the text it says, I say, hello, how are you when I see them. So, yes, I speak to my neighbours because I say, hello, how are you? So number 4 is true. Number 5, my neighbour is from Ireland. Look at the text. It says one of my neighbours is from England, not Ireland. So number 5 is false. And number 6, sometimes I go to my neighbour's house. Look at the text. It says sometimes she comes to my house. So number 6 is false because the neighbour comes to my house. I don't go to her house. Finished? Well done. You're now ready to move on to the next section of your pack.